Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of deep learning and sharing 9 easy ways for you to learn and master this incredible field. So, whether you're a beginner or have some experience already, this video is for you. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Let's jump right in. All right, let's start with our tip. The first step to learning anything new is setting clear goals. Deep learning is a vast field, so it's important to identify what specifically you want to achieve. Are you interested in computer vision, natural language processing, or something else? Defining your goals will help you focus your efforts and make the learning process more structured. Moving on to the next tip. Understand the basics of neural networks. Deep learning is built upon neural networks, so having a solid understanding of their fundamentals is crucial. Take some time to learn about concepts like neurons, activation functions, and the different types of layers. This foundation will provide you with the necessary knowledge to dive deeper into the field. Now, let's move on to our third tip. Take online courses or tutorials. The internet is a treasure trove of resources when it comes to deep learning. There are many online courses and tutorials available, both free and paid, that can guide you through the learning process. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and YouTube itself offer excellent courses taught by experts in the field. Find the ones that suit your learning style and get started. On to the next tip. Tip 4. Implement projects. Deep learning is a hands-on field, and the best way to solidify your understanding is by implementing projects. Start with small projects like image classification or sentiment analysis, and gradually work your way up to more complex tasks. By applying what you've learned, you'll gain practical experience and develop a deeper intuition for the concepts. Let's move on to tip number 5. Tip 5. Join online communities. Learning deep learning doesn't have to be a solitary journey. Joining online communities, such as forums, Slack channels, or social media groups, can provide you with a support network of like-minded individuals. You can ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others' experiences. Remember, collaboration is key to growth. All right, we're halfway through. Here comes tip number 6. Tip 6. Read research papers and books. Deep learning is an evolving field, and staying up to date with the latest research is essential. Start reading research papers and books by renowned experts in the field. They provide in-depth knowledge, advanced techniques, and insights into cutting-edge developments. It may be challenging at first, but with time, you'll become more comfortable with the terminology and concepts. Moving on to our 7th tip. Tip 7. Participate in Kaggle competitions. Kaggle is a platform that hosts data science competitions, including many focused on deep learning. Participating in these competitions can be an exciting and challenging way to apply your skills, learn from others, and potentially even win prizes. It's a great opportunity to gain hands-on experience and work on real-world problems. And now for our final tip. Tip 8. Teach others. One of the most effective ways to solidify your knowledge and deepen your understanding is by teaching others. Consider creating your own tutorials, blog posts, or even presenting at local meetups. Explaining concepts to others forces you to break them down into simpler terms, reinforcing your own understanding in the process. Plus, you'll be contributing to the deep learning community and helping others on their learning journey. And that's a wrap on our 9 easy ways to learn deep learning. Remember, learning any new skill takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself. Take advantage of the resources available, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in deep learning. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology, programming, and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!